Thank you for downloading XactRemodel Go. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your company info, rapidly build estimates, and how to submit bids from your mobile device. To get started, enter your login info. After you're logged in, you'll be brought to the project screen. To access your settings, tap the menu in the top left and select Settings. Tap on Company Info to input your firm's information. This information will be used on your proposals. Tap the Edit button in the bottom right to start filling out the company info form. This information will be applied to all of your jobs and can be edited at any time. Now you can start your first project. In the project screen, tap the plus sign in the bottom right to start a project. First, you'll want to input the job details, including the project name, address, and client contact info. Please note that the zip code of the job is what gives you the precise materials, labor, and equipment cost data for the area. Now you're ready to start creating an estimate. Tap the plus sign to start your estimate. Input the job name and any additional details. Note that you can add multiple jobs to a project. Tap the check mark to move on to the next step. This brings you to the Items screen. You can choose from Quick Estimates, which already include all of the individual line items associated with the job, or you can add job tasks individually. Since we had the word kitchen in the job name, XactRemodel Go has automatically pulled up the most common kitchen jobs. You can also search for a quick estimate by typing the desired job into the search bar. Now you'll see the job details and the precise estimated cost. To further hone in your bid, you'll need to adjust the square footage of the job and select the quality level of the materials. These adjustments will affect the cost estimate. Tap the check mark to complete the estimate for this job. Now you're ready to send your bid to the client. To view and send the proposal, tap the Reports tab and then tap Proposal. This will bring up your complete proposal. To send your proposal to the client, tap on the share icon in the top right. This will bring up a menu to send the bid using text messaging, email, or most other communications apps. And that's all it takes to start using XactRemodel Go to rapidly create and submit winning bids.